Now to news in your health. Vermont's junior senator was also on the New York side of Lake Champlain. Peter Welch was joined by Congressman Paul Tonko to discuss the future of health care. And Fox 44's Matt Loffer reports from Plattsburgh.
This is about health care for every American, and that is really consequential. So every one of us, our vote has a real impact on the well-being of people.
Time is of the essence. And there's so much going on that you want the public to know exactly how they're being affected.
Vermont Senator Peter Welch and New York's 20th District Congressman Paul Tonko rallying together in Plattsburgh Monday night. Standing room only at Plattsburgh's VFW Post 125 as both Democratic lawmakers shared their concerns over potential budget cuts to Medicaid.
How are you going to, implement these cuts? They're brutal, they're drastic, and it's done in a vein of illegal, unconstitutional, unprecedented, and destructive action on programs that range from health benefits to programs that you have paid into.
The pair went after the president and members of the GOP.
Washington Republicans have fallen in line with this president. And they've allowed for someone worth, depending on the day, between $360 trillion and $420 trillion. To be the lead agent.
Neither Democrat seemed to hold back.
Don't tell me about the opioid crisis and then go cut Medicaid. Because you're a hypocrite. You're a hypocrite.
Many people asked, where is Elise Stefanik, even chanting at one point. She wasn't there, but her camp did provide us with a statement. Republicans want to strengthen and secure Medicaid for eligible citizens as it is an indispensable lifeline for our nation's most vulnerable. However, far-left Democrats continue to fearmonger because they know that President Trump is delivering results for the American people. Plattsburgh Republican chairperson David Soulier emailed me this in response. I find it rather appalling that the Democratic Party has decided to bring two members of the Senate and Congress, both of whom do not represent the 21st election district, one whom doesn't even represent the state, to gaslight and grandstand the hardworking residents of the greater Plattsburgh area about the non-existent cuts to Medicaid and Medicare from the federal government. Whichever side you're on, everybody is urged to contact their local representation and voice your concerns. In Plattsburgh, Matt Loffer, Fox 44 News.